Alright. Mad Dog Mountain Arts. Chemtrail video? No, it's some hours later. Give myself a quick cruise here. Anyway, so kind of having trouble getting the lawnmower going. We all got up early today. I got up super early. And Wolf got up early. And he's having a nap. And he never has a nap. Because he's like, stay up late guy. So, the main point of my trail here today is not Lipton raspberry iced tea. It's just the Thringin, bacterial Thringin from the spray bottle. I hate trying to figure out how to work out things. I watch this thing, it's like, I straight up have like motivation to do things all day, but I don't want you to tell me how to do it. I just want to do it. Like, I got this thing. Fill with no more than 1 liter. Pump until resistance is felt. Oh, this is going to be tricky, isn't it, you guys? It looks cool though, right? I could have gotten a really, really big one. Oh, and it's got this thing with it. What do you think? Ooh, it's going to be beyond my means. I also do not have the instructions. Oh! It's got a diagram for dummies. Yes! Okay, so I was going to Google this and then tell you guys how it worked, but I thought it would be funnier just to watch me try to struggle through it. Right? I'm never going to figure this out. I'm going to have to call my boyfriend. Ah! Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm not kidding. Okay, so the point is, anyways, we want to spray the trees. So let's see. Let me put all my stuff down. Let's see what it looks like. Can we open it? No. Is there a bug on me? Yes. Oh. So one of those days, dude. So one of those days. Okay, it does open. Okay. See what it looks like inside. Alright. Let's see if we can figure it out. Okay. Looks like this. Looks like it's got this thing. Oh, and one of those. It's got little things on the end. Okay. I think this must go in there, eh? There's a hole in there? What do you think? Dude, I'm gonna have to Google this on there. Is it broken? Am I dumb? I might have just broke it. You guys probably just watch me just break it here on film. Oh, depressor. You depress the nozzle. Do I gotta take it all apart and figure it out? No. But there's nothing here. I'm weirded out about why this tube's broke. It doesn't really go back in. They're working on the lawnmower over there too. Sounds like it's fucked. Sounds like this fucked. That's fucked. That's not going to go in that hole. That's not what that's for. That has to be for the other hole. Alright. Thoroughly confused. Check if screw cap is firmly closed. Fill the pressure gauge as far as the line. Pump until resistance. Do not store pressurized and release trigger lock. Is this the trigger lock? Dude, what do you guys think? It's like broken off in here. Think it's broken? Do I call for help? Do I keep trying to just ram it in there? Okay, this is bunk as a skunk. Maybe I don't need this one. Should I Google it? What about this? Do you think I need this? Should I just put the shit in there and see what happens? What do you think this is for? Dude, it spins. Okay. Well, here comes my friend Crystal. So, It's gonna be the end of, I'm gonna pour this into there. I'm not quite sure how it's gonna work. I might have to Google it and make another video for you guys. Hey, this is just basically a video about how dumb I can be and why this is here like this. All right, okay, stay tuned.